Okay, we're coming up to the little house, front yard. Got a little flowers here and there. Some little stepping stones. Con trees budding out pretty good. Got a little rock garden here. A little flower bed. A few little flowers. Chairs go with it. Chairs go with the house. Here we are coming into the living room. Nice, pretty carpet, some left over. Here's coming into the hall. Got a nice thermostat. Digital thermostat. This is the front bedroom. Got one little stain over there. We got to get up somehow. Here's the bathroom. Could use a new mirror. Okay. Everything looks pretty good in here. Going into the back bedroom. Nice carpet here. New blinds. Carpet in the closet. Nice, pretty walls. Going back through the hall and into the living room again. And into the kitchen. A nice flooring here. Plank vinyl flooring. And gas stove that stays with it. It needs 3 more of these. Pretty countertops. Little cubby hole here needs a little cleaning. Nice big den. Still got to carry out all this padding. Got a nice panel of vinyl planking on the utility area. Nice bookcase. And we have a nice new hot water heater here. 40 gallon, brand new. Been used once or twice. We can shut that off again. And we have a real big, nice backyard. Storm door. 2 storage buildings. An office building and a shop building. Free dog house. Got a little thorn bush planted by that window. Keep people from kind of discourage anybody who might want to climb into it. Some more thorn bushes by the back fence. Some cages and stuff left over.